Hi all. Firstly, I wish all of you a happy and prosperous new year. So, as you know, I have done around 20 videos in my YouTube channel in the last maybe 5 to 6 months around stock market. And what I thought was all those are independent videos where I was talking about different subjects. Now, what I felt was the fundamental aspect of stock market investing is direct stock investing. So not many people are well versed with direct stock investing. It's not that easy, and there are certain mental models that one should have to master direct stock investing. So thinking that in my mind, I thought I will do a complete series on direct stock investing. Earlier, I thought that I will do a single video on this subject, but that won't be enough, right? Considering the vast amount of topic that we have to cover, it would be ideal if I do a set of videos. So that's the reason I am kickstarting that. This is the first episode, and I'm kickstarting that direct stock investing series from this video. In this video, I will talk about why it's important to start now the direct stock investing and what are the prerequisites. So if you are someone who wants to learn, or if you are someone already started investing into stock market, you can see that our Indian markets last year, if you see 10% of returns Nifty gave, but overall if you take, most of the stocks are beaten down. And also, even now, most of the stocks are in overvalued territory. So this Indian market is actually right now is a stock pickers market. What does that mean? Most of the stocks are expensive, but there are certain stocks that still you can find and invest into. But for that, you need certain knowledge. You can't pick such stock directly. You need to do a thorough research. Then only you can find such stocks. So this market, even if you invest into the index, right now Nifty 50 is at all-time high. So index investing is also not something that we can do currently. Of course, you can do systematic investment plan, SIP, definitely you can do, because every month you are investing your money and it will average out. But if you want to put lump sum amount, there are very limited pockets at the moment. So that's the reason, if you can find some cheap good quality stocks, you can actually invest your money, lump sum amount also, right? So that's the number one reason I thought this is the best time to start learning about direct stock investing. And another reason is that, see, this is a new year, right? I mean, new beginning. You can learn some new skill. So stock investing, if you learn, it's market agnostic. You can apply the same knowledge to analyze stocks in the US market, in the European market, in the Chinese market, right? And also, you can put the money into those stocks as well. So in that sense, learning direct stock investing is a very good thing. It's a very good skill to have. And once you learn that, you will always analyze. If you see some company, you will always see how well they are performing, what are the products that they have, what kind of management that they have, and how well they are delivering, right? Quarter after quarter, year after year. You look investing totally differently. So that's my aim, in this series, to make sure that all of you will have some understanding how I learned about direct stock investing, how I am looking at stock market right now. So I want all of you to have that judgment on how to pick a stock for investing, how to hold, how to build that conviction, and when to exit. We'll cover everything in detail during the entire series, right? Now, if you're already making 15% or more every year, maybe past 2, 3, 5 years, you may not be so interested in this because you will find it very basic, but still you can learn, you can brush up your knowledge. But this series is mostly targeted towards people who doesn't know anything about stock market, or who or someone who are stuck in between. They have some knowledge here and there, but they don't have idea, or they don't have that structured path on how to invest in stocks. So this entire video series is very structured. It's a very step-by-step process. I will talk everything in detail. Also, it will be mostly in a storytelling way with examples, so that everybody can understand easily, right? Everybody can learn easily. So that's the reason I strongly believe in first principles method. So I want to start from the very scratch, then I will build up from that. Hence, maybe I don't know how many videos I will shoot, but definitely it will be worthy. I am also on the way. I will also learn a lot of things. I have to study a lot of things because certain concepts are not so clear for me also. So I have to prepare well myself. So yeah, that's the reason I thought it will be very structured, systematic, step by step. Uh, Very few topics will be covered in one video, and I also urge everyone, if you have any doubts, you can directly ask in the comment section, so that we can discuss that and I can clear whatever doubts that you have, right? And lastly, like I said, what are the basic skill set that you need to have to be a direct stock investor? So what I would say is that basic understanding of mathematics, basic arithmetic is what you need to have, because stock market is all about numbers, uh, not something like calculus, integration, or differentiation, but basic multiplication and division, percentage. We always talk returns in terms of percentage. So how to calculate that basic multiplication and division. So the basic arithmetic is what is required. And if you are someone who is very curious, if you are someone who likes to read, if you are someone who likes to analyze, dig little deeper into concepts, then it will be very easy for you. Even otherwise, you are looking into markets only for making money, still this will be a good class, because I will cover everything, like I said, right? So if you can understand how to pick a stock and invest, definitely you can make money out of it. So it's good for all kind of people, but if you are particularly interested in the topics that I mentioned, then it will be much more easier for you, right? So yeah, that's all I want to talk about in this video. This is just an introductory video. Starting from the next video onwards, I will start with what is a stock and what is a stock market, right? The basic understanding of what is a share, and we will start from that. Hope you will enjoy, you will learn on this process. We all learn together. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.